Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We are diving in. I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag X. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam Bag X, this is a $58 subscription that is quarterly. You're supposed to get 8 full-size products with a value of at least $350. We're going to dive in, and each time that the Ipsy Glam Bag X comes out is going to be curated with somebody that's kind of an influencer, things like that. So we're going to open up our box. This is how it is packaged, and I will say it feels quite heavy this month, y'all. It feels very heavy. So this month's takeover is Glam Bag X with Becky G. And you do receive your little pamphlet that gives you all of the pertinent details, cost, prices, all that jazz. And right on top, I see the Maracuja Juicy Lipstick in the shade Rose. I've never tried this particular one. I don't think I've tried any of these. I know they've gone like super viral. I have a little bit of lip oil on, but I think we should try it real quick. If you've tried this, let us know. I do like the component. It kind of reminds me of like Grande Lips type vibes. And I do just have foundation on and a little bit of brows. That way if we wanted to try some stuff, we can try some stuff out. Just upon like very first it touching my lips, it is incredibly kind of like soft and balmy, like super soft. Not waxy or anything at all. Oh, I love how that feels, but it's not so slippy that it's like gonna fall off the lips, but it's incredibly creamy. This is not my favorite color for me personally, but I'll use it, I'll wear it. I think it's super comfortable. All right, cool, I like that. I'm happy to have that. And these alone retail are about $21-ish. All right, next up is something I just discovered, and I actually really like it. It is a full size of the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. I'm not going to open this one because I have one open. I can show that one to you guys. And I really like the component of this. I think it's kind of just super cool and very different. This was very black. I do like that it's a drier formula. I like the slightly curved wand, and I do like the actual like wand itself. I do have a little bit of mascara, but we can layer. There are no rules. Have you tried this mascara? Also, what is your favorite mascara? What is your holy grail mascara? And speaking about, y'all, look at that. Look at the difference. Which I just put like one little kind of half layer on because, you know, I'm lazy as hell and I just wanted to look presentable-ish. Also, I'm going to try stuff if I can try it in the box. I like to try to do that for you guys. But if you do have a favorite mascara, you also have a dupe. Meaning, like for me, I really love Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like I really like this Milk mascara. But then I also have like CoverGirl mascaras that I really like. So, you know, when you can choose and you can spend the $25 or however much for mascara, which one are you going for? If you're trying to stay under $10, which one are you going for? Comment down below. All right, so far I'm happy, and so far that's 2 makeup products. I know that you guys love makeup heavy boxes. Next, I see a freaking palette on top, which also excites me. It is the Tresluce Beauty Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette. I can say this feels incredibly weighty. We get quite a bit of like mini products from them, like little mini palettes. I thought this was a yellow palette. And I got very excited. If you know, you know. Yellow's my favorite color. Dang it. Alright, that is what the unit carton looks like. And it seems pretty inclusive, which I really love. I don't think I'm going to keep this, and I'm not going to test it. I traditionally try to test things for you guys, but I'm also not a wasteful person, so we'll put this, of course, in a pay it forward for you guys. So, but I'm still happy. I'm happy as hell to have it. I just know I have too much. Okay, guys. Right, next up, we have I love Josie Maran stuff. This is the Josie Maran Argan Pro Retinol Eye Cream, Smooth and Hydrate. I have sworn by and used Josie Maran Argan Oil for very long time. I discovered her on QVC. That's typically where I buy my stuff. Like when she does Today Special Values and things like that. So I'm really intrigued to test this out. And of course, I love skincare. Next up is something that got beat to death. We'll see if it's okay. This is Balance Me Tri-Molecular Hyaluronic Serum from Plump and Hydrate, I guess is the name. Or is Balance Me the name? I don't actually know. That is what that looks like. And it is in a glass, I'm assuming. Yes, it is in a glass bottle with a dropper. I don't think I'm going to keep this just because, again, I'm trying to not be wasteful, and I'm sure that I have plenty of serums, especially since, you know, Mama has dry skin. Very dry skin. Next up is the Skin Ink Sculpt Lift Bar 24K. I've not used anything like this. I do have like the wash-eye tool and like the roller, so we'll read up on this. That's intriguing. Next is... oh, please. Okay, next is the Elemis Apricot Soothing Toner. I'm excited about this, and I didn't keep very many toners when I did my declutter, so I'm going to keep this. It says Soothing Apricot Toner, Calming Facial Toner. For delicate skin, apricot saponins, saponaria leaf, soothes, calms, and refreshes. And of course, that is a full size. Last but not least, number 8 in our box is another skincare item. It is Herbivore Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream. It feels quite heavy. I just want to kind of see what it looks like, and then we'll read up on some deets. Ooh, very pretty. Oh my gosh, I think that's glass too. It is a beautiful, soft, blushy pink. That's beautiful. I feel like that's a really good balance. That makeup heavy lovers are going to really love it, but then somebody like me that I don't always need the makeup, but then again, I have way too much skincare, so I guess I'm happy with anything. But I think those of us that like skincare would love the box. Those of us that like makeup would also love the box. And then we got a tool. So we'll quickly run through pricing and deets and all of that. All right, Miss Becky G. Let's see what we have in here, girl. All right, I'm just going to show you guys the whole page here because obviously I have one variation of the box. So you can see some of the other items that you could have gotten. So our Herbivore Botanicals Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream has a retail value of $44. Formulated with super hydrating tremella mushroom and vegan squalane. This moisturizer helps support a healthy skin barrier and leaves your skin feeling soft and plump with a natural dewy finish. Does that not sound like a Riri product? It is calling my name. Riri! I heard it. Did you hear it? Moving on. All right, next up we have our Skin Ink. Our Skin Ink Sculpt Lift Bar in 24 karat gold for $125. Get all the benefits of a facial massage without all the elbow grease. Work the massage wand over your skin and let pulsating vibrations help to tone and contour your face and soothe puffiness. I'm keeping this. If you've tried this, let me know. I think especially for wintertime, I think this is a really well curated box. I'm loving everything so far. All right, the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. Help soothe even the most sensitive skin with the calming and balancing benefits of the apricot, sweet Betty flower, and saponins from Kiaha wood in this toning mist. Oh, it's a mist. And that is $37. I'm going to try that real quick. Hold on. See, when I saw the bottom and it was coming out, it didn't look like it was going to be a mist to me because normally I don't see them in this shape. I'm excited, you guys. All right. Oh, it was leaking. Oh, crap. Hold on. Let me wipe it off. All right. Let's see how the mister is. Y'all know that is most important to me. Me likey. I can't really smell still. Thank you, COVID. But I don't smell anything offensive. And normally you'd put this on, obviously, before skincare. It feels really nice. Oh, I'm excited about that. That mister is 10 out of 10. I think that's everything on this page. Yes. All right. Moving on. Our Milk Makeup Rise Lifting and Lengthening Mascara is $28, and it just says get gravity defying and length with this award-winning mascara. I really, really do like it. I also want to show too, if you got this in yours, please comment down below. Don't toss it. Don't say no. Don't say, ew, this looks gross or this looks weird or whatever. Holy Grail product. The Stila One Step Correct Brightening and Correcting Primer you could have also gotten. I have used many of these. I have sworn by these. I absolutely love this primer. I have one. I've sent them as gifts. If you get that in your box, don't count it out. Please try it and let me know what you think of it. All right. Next up was we didn't get the shadow palette. Dang, we could have got a Translucent shadow palette. We could have got lashes. We could have gotten the iconic London Brow Silken Brush. We could have got a Fenty Beauty Body Sauce. You guys, there's a lot of really, really good stuff this month. Let me see. We got the Balance Me, the Tri-Molecular Hyaluronic Serum. That is $43. And it says, hydrate your skin from the inside out with this quenching serum packed with a trio of hyaluronic acids. And then the Translucent Beauty, the Lucette Highlighter Palette is $26. Steal the spotlight with this captivating palette full of our 4 attention-grabbing highlighters. So silky, it'll be impossible not to show off your glow. And I'm pretty sure that that is actually Becky's brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't really know a whole lot about her. I'm very sorry. I feel like we're missing something. I didn't see the Maracuja Juicy Lip in here. But they're $21. I do know that already. And I also don't see the Josie Maran product. Yeah, okay, I do see it. The Josie Maran. I do not see the Maracuja thing in here. The Josie Maran Argan Pro Retinol Eye Cream is $42. Help soothe and smooth puffy, tired eyes with this blend of line plumping pro retinol and 100% pure argan oil. I love this box. We got a mascara, we got some skincare, we got a lip, we got a palette, a toner. I'm excited as hell. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have this conversation. Do you think it was a good box? I'm saying 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I love this box. I think it is well curated. I think it's perfect for going into the colder months. I like it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.